Welcome to the Jill channel. Welcome to the Jill channel. Welcome to the Jill channel.
He's always late.
Always late. The first thing you do is you light your candles up. As you can see, I accidentally blew one out, so I'm gonna light one up. Yeah. Ooh. So you light up your candles that you have at your house. Presumably you have some. For cases like these. In Eastern Europe you usually have some candles, mostly all the time. Then, you get a clean, there it is, clean pot. Add some water. Take out 2 cups. Place your candles in between the cups carefully. Place the pot. There you go.
Ah, yes, the tea bag.
No, the teddy bear.
And then I decided to torture the teddy bear slowly.
This is taking too long. Okay.
And the final result, I made my cup of tea and my soul was happy.